At LimeLife, we can spend years perfecting a product because we don't want it to end up in your hands until it's made with the top ingredients and performing exactly the way we want it to. This was absolutely the case with our first sun care product, Perfect Sunscreen for Face. We wouldn't budge on the fact that we wanted the one and only active ingredient to be 100% non-nano zinc oxide. This was so important because zinc oxide is the top choice for safe and effective mineral sunscreen that's safe for your skin and the planet. Zinc oxide is a broad-spectrum sunscreen protecting your skin from both UVA and UVB rays without harmful chemicals. And since it's free from those harmful chemicals, it's also completely safe for fragile coral reefs. So our main ingredient was non-negotiable, but so was the texture and the appearance of Perfect Sunscreen. Mineral sunscreens can be difficult to blend, and I kept getting samples that left a white cast on my skin. We kept pushing and perfecting until we landed on our Perfect Sunscreen formula. In addition to the zinc oxide, it features natural ingredients like chicory root, which is known to be a natural alternative for skin-firming retinol, and vitamin B3, which reduces dark spots and wrinkles over time. The end result is a 3-in-1 sunscreen, moisturizer, and primer that feels lightweight and looks sheer and stunning on its own or under makeup. Once Perfect Sunscreen for Face became a customer favorite, we started developing Perfect Sunscreen for Body. It also features non-nano reef-safe zinc for broad-spectrum protection, and its super sheer formula is packed with natural ingredients that nourish sensitive skin. We're sometimes asked why we chose a lotion formula over a spray, and there are really two reasons. First, the lotion is just a bit better for the environment because all of the product goes directly on your body and not into the air. And second, we found that we usually miss spots when applying a spray, and this ultra sheer lotion makes it much easier to get all over coverage. As a big Perfect Balm fan, I was also really excited when we created the lip formula with SPF. Like the sunscreens, it's SPF 30 with non-nano zinc oxide. Natural ingredients like sunflower seed oil and vitamin E also keep your lips smooth and moisturized. The balm can also be used in other places besides your lip. Need to reapply to your nose in a pinch? The balm can be used to touch up your protection anywhere. And since we all get a little too sun-kissed from time to time, we created Afterglow Soothing Sun Gel. Its main ingredient is hydrating aloe vera, and it also nourishes with vitamin E, lavender, and eucalyptus to reduce redness and prevent peeling. I love storing it in the fridge for an instant cooling pick-me-up. We also didn't forget about our littlest beach bums. Sunny Bunny is an SPF 50 broad-spectrum sunscreen for kids, babies, and anyone with sensitive skin. Featuring the same reef-safe non-nano zinc oxide as our other sunscreens, it's also full of nourishing plant-based ingredients. Aloe vera and coconut oil make it easy to apply and soothing for delicate skin. And of course, no harsh chemicals or synthetic fragrance. LimeLife Sun Care line is everything you need to protect your family from head to toe. With skin-soothing, reef-safe ingredients all around, you can get your daily dose of vitamin D worry-free.